Hello everyone, so if you wanna know how to change the voice notification language on your Sony WH-CH520 headphones, first of all, make sure that you're connected to your phone and that you have your Sony Sound Connect application installed. Open it up, make sure that your headphones are connected to it. Right now, scroll down in my device section right here. So scroll down to your device setting. Open up your system setting, and here make sure to enable your notification in a voice guide. So if it glows with a blue color, it means it's enabled. Here we can see a language settings. So find your language, English, and you can choose any of available languages. For example, let's choose Spanish, press OK. Confirm your choice by pressing OK. Also, this data transfer may take up to 4 minutes, so do not worry about that. Be a little patient, and then your headphones will speak in Spanish or any other language which you've chosen. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.